morning. We are at South Mountains State Park in North Carolina, and we're going to try to shoot for around 10 miles today. We're hoping to get some stairs and ups and downs, so we'll be ready for our AT through hike coming up in
28 days.
Woo!
Coming up, 4 weeks.
We've only gone half a mile, and we've already found this beautiful creek, and we're going to go find the waterfall.
Right up the road.
Well, we are getting closer to the waterfall, and I just came across this interesting rock. He has a name. Bear with me, but it's called Migmatitic Metagraywak. So, pretty intense name, if I do say so myself. We'll see what else lies ahead.
And
We found the stairs.
there's like 460 something of them. So, woohoo! And we found the main waterfall. Stairs were a lot easier than we expected. Alright. Woo! Very slick. Just came up all that. It's just woods, but there are stairs there. People taking pictures. Beautiful waterfall. There's Rachel. Very slick. Sliding around. See, sliding.
Well, we just made it to the top of the falls. That right there is the very top. And we just made it up about a little over 400 steps, the rangers told us. So, good practice for the AT approach trail. If you've ever done the AT approach trail, or this trail, which is in South Mountain State Park, let us know how they compare. We'd love to know.
They weren't that bad.
No, not bad.
Let's go. Gonna be cold. Let's go.
I'm up next.
Here comes Rachel. Go!
I am so glad I have Luna sandals on my feet right now. Happy toes.
All right, we got a bridge. I'm going behind her, but she doesn't know.
Oh, it shakes.
It's pretty though. Shaky log bridge. This is the first real good overlook that we've gotten to. I think we're around 6 miles right now. Been a beautiful day. Beautiful day. There's Rachel.
Almost lunchtime.
Almost there. Taking a later lunch today. Woo! Gorgeous day.
Well, we just finished lunch and we're at this beautiful overlook. We're on top of Chestnut Knob, and it's just a little over 2,000 feet up, so not too bad. We came at it from a different direction than the last time we were here, which was last weekend actually. So we're gonna go back down the trail that we came up last time. But it is just beautiful, and last time we couldn't even see hardly past the mountains in front of us, so it's a treat. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, it was completely cloudy and foggy last week, so this is beautiful up here. And here's the fun. So we are now done with our trail. We're about half a mile away from the car. We're at this beautiful creek you can see behind us. And it was a lovely hike, just beautiful weather. I think by the time we get to our car, we'll have hit just around or just above 10 miles. So it was a fun day. My feet are a little tired, but it was a fun day. I'm glad to be out here.
Thanks for watching another video by Hike and Tell.